Here, the question number 92 it's given for a canonical transformation from the old coordinate q comma p to new coordinate capital Q comma p. One of the transformation equation is given. It's a small q equal to e power q minus 1 whole square secant square small p. The generating function capital F capital P comma q it's given by which one of the following is the right answer. That is the thing we are going to do it now. Here, the canonical transformation is given from the canonical pair q comma p, that would be goes to capital Q comma capital P. The one of the transformation equation it is given, the q is equal to e power q minus 1 whole square secant square p. This is one of the transformation equation. They are asking what is the generating function p function of capital P comma capital Q. What is the function? This is fourth kind of generating function. To generate this transformation, it has to I think using these two equation we can even one more equation. Anyway, right now we don't want that equation. Using these two equation, you can generate the transformation from the old canonical pair to the new canonical pair. So here the small q equal to minus dou f4 by dou p, the capital Q equal to minus plus dou f4 by dou capital P. So we can use these two equation to find this generating function. Anyway, here the capital Q it is not given, only the small q it is given. We can substitute in this equations. Therefore, take this is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. Substituting in the 1, the small q, just we have to substitute in the left hand side e power q minus 1 whole square secant square p, that would be equal to minus dou f4 dou p. You can rearrange, then the minus sign you can put it here. I am writing dou f4 one side. If I am pushing this here, e power q minus 1 whole square times dou p, just to push the minus sign also. If you are rearranging, we will get this equation. Here anyway, left hand side is only function f4, right hand side is integrating factor dou p. So here actually we missed secant square p. Here's one secant square p. Anyway, you can write it at last. So you can convert the partial derivative into total derivative. So df4 minus e power q minus 1 whole square secant square p dp. Now we can take the integration on both side. So if you are taking integration left hand side, right hand side, the left hand side it will give f4. The right hand side if you are taking this integration minus e power q minus 1 whole square, because it's independent of the integration, you can take it out. Integral of secant square p dot dp, it will give tan p. That is integration. So the generating function actually it is here, that would be equal to e power q minus 1 whole square tan p minus. This is the right answer for the given question. So from the above discussion, we got the answer that f capital F, that would be equal to minus e power q comma minus 1 whole square times the tan small p. This is a generating function that generate the transformation from the old coordinate to the new coordinate.